Hello and welcome. So this is going to be a brief introduction into signing in. Now, the sign-in will be slightly different depending on the type of account that you're joining. Now, the most important thing to remember is when you come to this page, if you don't see somewhere that says access code, as I've come here, then you can just sign in and access it and you don't have to worry about codes, etc. Because if you just look up here, just in the highlighted part, what will happen is your access code is built into your link, and that's what your team member or the person who shared this with you may have wanted to share and send. The other way that you might actually have access to something is you'll be in a situation where you simply have a widget which is built into the front of your website, and then you will be able to sign in or log in there if that's how your school's using it. And lastly, if you're not using the link, there may be a space here for you to add a code. And what the code does, if you're a school that's got to learners and mentors, it will actually confer access to you as a learner or a mentor. And if you're signing up on one of the paid products, an access code might grant you discount. And of course, that only happens if you're buying as an individual. So just to recap on there, you might have an access code, which you may have to type in depending on what your school or institution wants or the discount you want to get. You might see it in the form of a widget at the front of a page. And lastly, you might also see it without the code at the top because the code is built into the URL already. Hope that's useful.